Are you tired of feeling like something bad is about to happen? Do you lie in bed replaying everything that went wrong or might go wrong? Like your mind will not shut off and your chest is heavy with worry you cannot explain? If so, this video is for you because there is a reason you feel this way. And more importantly, there is a way out, not a quick fix, but a deep reset that starts within you. So please pause whatever else is going on and let this video be a turning point in your journey. This is your reason to stop worrying and to finally feel safe, calm, and at peace. Hi, I'm Anca, and I help people like you who are silently drawing in pressure, stress, and inner chaos. But on the outside, you're high functioning and holding it all together. I help the hundreds of professionals, leaders, and quiet sufferers break free from the grip of worry and constant anxiety. Using neuroscience, trauma healing, subconscious rewiring, and soul level work, I guide people back to the truth. You are not your fear. You are not your thoughts. And your mind is not your enemy. In this video, I will show you why your brain keeps looping into worry and how to shift out of it, even though you think that's you. It's not you. And that can be done even if nothing around you changes.